Hello you beautiful people, welcome to the channel Northeast MTV Rider. Today Dipankar and I are going to show you how you can install a cycle odometer on any bicycle you can have. Here is this cheap little odometer, or you can say bicycle computer. We are going to install this one on this cycle. Let's start with the unpacking. You will get a manual and these are things. This is the watch-like device and this is magnet tip. This one is the device holder and the cable goes to the magnetic sensor, and you will get some zip ties as well. So let's start installing. Step 1. Mounting the device holder and magnet sensor to the handlebar and the wheel. Open up some zip ties. You will need some letter, and you can see here there is a little sticker out there. This will go like this. Mount it like this. This magnetic sensor will go to the suspension fork. Take some zip tie and put the zip ties like this. Tighten this zip ties firmly and cut the excessive one. Alright. Now you can see this cable. I am going to put this magnetic sensor to the fork here. Like we did on the holder, you can see some sticker here to pull down the sticker and clean the sensor area where we will put it and place it like this. Now get the magnetic tip and you see here a screw and unscrew it. As soon as you unscrew it, you can pull it to the outer space. See here. Here is going to the spoke. Let me show you how you can do it. You just put the magnetic tip like this, see, it is not going to roll the wheel if you put it too close to the magnetic sensor and tip. You see the gap between the sensor and magnetic tip, it must be 1 millimeter. if you find it difficult, you can also move the magnetic sensor. Now zip the magnetic sensor too with your zip tie. Here it is. I will put one more. Alright. Now we are done with this part, as you see. Now you need to mount this thing on the holder. To do so, we need to calculate the wheel circumference. To that purpose, you need a measuring tape and a marker pen. I will show you how you can do that. Now, stand your cycle on a plain floor and take your measuring tape and the marker pen. And give a mark at the exact bottom point here, and I'm going to roll up the wheel, just one roll at the straight line there. Don't you dare to. After rolling up the wheel, you see here, there is a mark, and put a new mark here. Now, I am going to measure the distance between this point and that point. Let's measure it. You see here, this is 2 meter and plus 31 centimeter. That means 231 centimeter. The distance between 2 points is 231 centimeter. Now note down the measuring distance. Now take a coin and the device and open up the back cover like this. You see there is a tiny battery, and wait for a second and put it down again, and place the back cover. See, here is some digit coming, and you need to put down your calculated circumference value. In mine case, it was 2310. You can use this left key to change the value. 1, 3, there it is, 2310, and this one is for OK. There it is. My circumference value is 2310, and here you can select kilometer or mile. As I am going to use the metric system, I will let it kilometer. Okay, alright, press again. There it is. Now you can put this in here like this. Now let's test this out. You see here, as I'm rolling the wheel, it is going to sing. You see here, there is 8, 7 kilometer per hour. There it is. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please like and share, or you can subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubt in your mind, please ask us in the comment. Thank you.